Hey everybody! So today I've got a different kind of video. It's still tech, but it's a light switch. I got a TP-Link Kasa smart Wi-Fi light switch because I had the smart light bulbs. After 2 months of them being installed, one completely failed and the other stopped responding, but it still blinked. The other one just completely turned off and never turned back on. So I said screw it and bought a light switch. That way I could use better lights. And yeah, still have my OK Google, because the light switch is in such a fucking stupid place. Anyways, so I got this, and yeah, I'm gonna slide the box open. There it is. It's a light switch. Amazing. So pretty. Anyways, I'm gonna go put it in, and then I'll show you the setup process and use. Okay, so I got it installed. So, okay Google, turn off the lights. Okay Google, turn on the lights. It works. And I had to install it upside down, but I do like the little night light feature, and it does have a restart button and a reset button. They're not easy to hit, but they are there. And I'm okay Google, turn off the lights. Thanks for watching.